So what's going on, everyone? We're looking at the FlexiSpot Swivel Rocking Recliner XR4, your all-in-one lounge companion. Today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it out as well, show you how to install it and assemble it. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it's super easy. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Everything in the description below is an affiliate link, so it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. Now all of the pieces here that you see is super easy to install together. It doesn't require any tools. It's all plug and play as well. So as soon as you put it in place and where you want the recliner, all you need to do is slap them all together. The instructions are super clear, super easy to follow. For those who wants to use this on countries that has 240 volts, you can do that as well. So we have the base right here, and pretty much the first step is we're gonna put the sides on. No bolts, no tools needed. It just slides on to those railings right there. Here's the sides here. So now this will go into here. And from this, you just have to lock it like so it doesn't come off. And this part is the one that goes to the plug. Goes there to there. And then with this, you can lock it like so. You're good to go. So there is these two buttons on the side and a USB slot right there for charging. Ooh, this is nice. It even rocks. You can recline. Oh, let's go. Oh, you could pretty much fall asleep on this. You could spin this way. Recline back. There we go. Pretty good. The top as well is adjustable so that you can kind of use it so that you can have kind of a neck brace almost. It's pretty good. And then you can reset it by doing this. There we go. There we go. Let's try that and then recline back. There you go. Whew. I like to just take this and just go for a sleep. Do a little bit of gaming while you're laying down. Oh, it's just beauty. But also very stable. It doesn't feel like you're gonna, fall back if you're doing the whole rocking chair here. Pretty nice. Overall, such a good recliner. You can spin yourself. Now it doesn't do the full 360, but that's all right. Just does that. I think it's because the cord behind you is gonna get caught if you do 360. So yeah, it's pretty much 360, but you just have to go all the way around to go on the back side. Pretty good. Now for the nerds out there, we have these specs here. And it's pretty much a perfect blend of style and relaxation. That's really the whole point of this recliner. You can enjoy a range of recline positions tailored for your needs. And from reading, you're using this for a nap as well. You could do that. This is great as well if you have a little kid and you want to rock them to sleep. This is one way to do it. It has a dynamic swivel, effortlessly turn 270 degrees for easy conversations and TV watching. It also is a soothing rocking base. You can experience gentle rocking motions for enhanced relaxation. One of the unique features that the XR4 has is that it has a seamless leg and back adjustment. You can effortlessly transition between recline positions for unparalleled comfort that complements your body's natural movement. It also has a manual adjustable headrest, which you can use while watching television and have that right angle while you're watching, so that you don't have to keep holding your head on a certain position. It will provide an optimal support for relaxation. The back also has a lumbar support from every angle. It has a generously padded lumbar area which offers consistent support no matter your posture, ensuring comfort in any position. It is also very safe to use and very durable at the same time. The recliner features a water-resistant synthetic leather cover that's not only easy to clean, it is also sustainably durable but also prioritizes your safety. Everyone will be able to use this because this is user-friendly in many ways. The first one is the extended footrest. It is designed for complete relaxation. The recliner boasts a extended footrest. It offers an ample leg support no matter how tall you are. It says in the website that it is good for 5 feet 2 inches up to 5 feet 9 inches. I'm personally 5 feet 10 inches and I didn't have any problems with the leg support. It was very comfortable when I was using it. It ensures an immersive and comfortable experience for everyone. You can always stay connected, charge up your devices via USB port as well right beside you, so you won't need to go very far. You'll have your devices charged all the time. Now, whether you're hosting guests, unwinding after a long day, or seeking solace and in the embrace of sleep, the Swivel Rocking Recliner is the all-in-one solution. It is made for entertainment, relaxation, and sleep solution. Like I showed you earlier, the assembly is super easy, hassle-free, and it doesn't need any tools to put together. Also, within 2 minutes, you're done setting up the recliner. Now, the motor that is powering the recliner is super durable as well. FlexiSpot has a lot of experience developing and producing standing desk motors. So the motors that they use there are durable and it has great performance. So in their recliners, they use the similar design and they proved it with newer innovations and quality. Now, the weight capacity of the recliner is 300 pounds. This is similar for any other recliners out there. It also covers 3 years of warranty on the water resistant synthetic leather. The frame has 2 years of warranty and the motor has a 1-year warranty. So in most other recliners, other brands, usually only covers you for 1 year. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I definitely recommend this for people who have little kids. You want to rock them, you put them to sleep. If you're a gamer, this is great as well if you want to prioritize a comfier seat. It's also power reclining, so it's really good. As you can see, this is best bang for your buck. They're also usually doing a discount as well, so go ahead and check that out. If you want to see more of these, I've done more FlexiSpot desk reviews on this channel, so go ahead and check that out as well. Everything will be linked down below. There's also sponsor down there. If you want to see more of these, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.